All right, we're back to this video of welding with batteries, and if you remember what I said in the last video, I saw this happen with welding with 24 volts with two batteries in series on the internet, and I tried that. I thought it was plausible, but it was a no-go. So I jumped up to 3 batteries wired in series, and this time it'll work. It's very strange, but with the first video, the guy didn't mention the amps, well, the volts that are here, and the amps while welding. So I'm going to weld. I'm going to weld a couple of times, and you can watch the weld, and then I'm going to weld again, and I want you to watch the volts and the amps. Okay, they are going to, not so bad here, but right here it's going to jump around, and that's why I'm going to maybe weld twice and let you get a good idea of what I'm seeing right here on the amps. I've got this thing set on 400 amps right here. Now, let's go ahead and do the first weld. Oh, by the way, the wire is like 10 gauge. So, here we go. Okay, look at the rod. Sort of glowing, if you can see that. We're gonna take a picture of the amps again and the volts. Okay, now look at the rod this time. Okay, Sheriff, you want to get a picture of the weld? Not bad. So, anyway, I want to thank Interstate Battery for sponsoring me on this test, and all you guys that have offered suggestions and help on this test. So, hope it's over. Thanks.